Asia from the Diva Sisters. Woo! And today I'm going to show you my slime that I made. So here, let's get to it. I'm going to be doing a little bit of poking stuff and a little bit of ASMR. So let me flatten it out for you guys. So here's the slime. I really love the slime. Audrey's in the background crying. I don't know why she is, but yeah. So let's just finish the slime. So this is my slime. I love my slime. It's really crackly. Oh, there's a bubble. As you can see, there's a bubble right here. Like when I touch the bubble, like sometimes I can like pull the bubble without like my finger, like a circle. What I do is I look for bubbles in the slime and then I just push my hands down and it makes such. Anyways, it makes such a good crackling noise, guys. Like I cannot tell you. So let's get into the slime. Oh my god! Did you guys hear that? Like I'm telling you, I did. Like, did you hear that? I was like, was that you, Audrey? Did you too? Did you fart? Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be doing a lot of crackling and stuff. Ooh, there's a little bit more bubbles. I love finding these bubbles because I start to do that. Like, it's so satisfying. Like, it's so relaxing. So I just be quiet for a little minute. You guys just because I'm doing a little bit of ASMR. So now, guys, I'm just gonna be doing cooking.
Oh, let me get it.
I want one. And Mom's getting us a juice box because we're in our room, by the way. And this is my desk. Oh, wait. So here's my desk. Messy desk. This is our beds. Messy beds. That's Audrey talking about how she loves her slime. Okay, so let's get back to the What are you doing? Nothing. See, Audrey's like chilling. She's like, oh, it's my eyes. Anyways, I'm going to be finishing the slime. And then Audrey's going to make a video.
It's hot in here.
Okay, so I got my juice box because I was a little bit thirsty. So my mom came in and got us some juice. Yeah. Oh, sorry if you guys couldn't see the juice box. I'm going to move that box again. Okay, so, yeah. Just open. So, I'm going to be cooking it. This is the best slime I've ever felt. Because of all the crackly noises. Guys, like, this is so relaxing. Like, guys. Seriously.
And you want that far? Were you farting?
No, that was my slime. Anyways, I'm going to be keeping doing this. And then I'm going to end the video. And then I'm just going to make a video of her slime. Because, like, it's going to be like crazy. So, I hope you guys had a great day with my slime. Hello. Oh. Wait, I'm going to see if it comes out to the camera.
Right here.
Okay, you ready?
Put my
And slime.
right here. Can you open that for me?
Slime.
Can you help me?
Alright, I got. So, guys, have a nice day and slime. See you later. Peace.